Hi, this is 3D.com. This is my friend here, Miguel. And this is my channel. He's just saying it for me because it's our channel. And see this? It means Nerf. Look. It means Nerf. This is a squirter. Right now I'm texting my friends. The keyboard over there, so I'm texting. Hi, this is David. This. Yeah. This some of like super kids. That's like superhero kids. Here is the Mega launcher. There's Mega launcher. Here is this. It's the same thing. Yeah. Go look. Right. See how close the boom, 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 boom. It's like a rocket launcher. But it's not. Like it turns around. Like when you push this green lever. And to make it more louder, just close this. If you want to do this, that's going to be more louder. Okay, this is a big gun. Look. Sure. Oh! See the big gun right here? Water. Touch the hose to here. What water? Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, you can attach the hose to here. Or you can put it. Yeah, this is where you put the water. Well, once it's filled up with water, it's hard to spray. Yeah. So right now, I'm just going to do okay. Here, this. I'll show you something. Yeah, he's doing the channel because I didn't know what to do before. So he's just doing the vlogs for just one day. Oh, I'm gonna do vlog run and stuff, but and now I'm doing it. Look, this is the best of all. Totally best of all. This is from the dollar store. Right now we're gonna make some. Today we're gonna make some very cool. Also, we got cool things like bunchums and everything. Yeah. They could. You could like see these little hooks right there. See them? You can't. They can't see you. I'll show you. I'll do it. You see these hooks? The hooks. That's how they make it stick. So you might have seen them from Evan TV HD or in the TV. And I got the whole thing, the whole big pack. Here is Toothless from How to Train Your Dragons. He got wood. This from How to Train Your Dragon. He could do this. Yeah, look. This is what I got from Stuffy Bear. Hear what it makes. I said that I want to connect sound, so I did it. So you just have to press here. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get some other cool stuff right now. Let's wait. Give me this. Okay. No, I don't need that yet. After the sack. Here is some very cool sand we got. It's not like real sand, but it's so squishy sand. Sticky. It's not like connected sand, right? Yeah, we can make stuff out of it. And I'm having a party. Yeah. So right now this is DJ Darth Vader. He lights up. Here's how it turns around. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Now, I got this from the Philippines. How you saw the video, Miguel and Shell. So I'm gonna shine your body. So, those are only in the Philippines, but it's not a mall where you get it. It's like a different mall. So, hope you guys find it. Delete. We're gonna put this away and we're gonna get some other cool stuff next video. We're not gonna do it next video. we're just gonna do like probably. Right now we have Spot and Arlo that can make sounds. Spot, I think he's just like over there because I have to clean up, and he could get his eyes open. We got this from Disney store. Yeah, Disney store. Yeah, in the mall. And here is the new Batman Batcave. Look, it's a Bat Mega Cave. So like, Arlo could just fit in here, but he can't get inside. One more. This could just stomp too. Okay, look. You can do that. You can do that. Look, you can do that. You can twist this. You can twist the stuff to make stuff go. You can do that. Close it. Like that. And here, you can do this. You can do this. Makes a big area. And here, you pop a gun. See that gun right there? Goes like that. And look. That. Well, and this is our first toy reviewing. So, tomorrow I'm doing another toy review. See Mr. Freeze and Joker. So next is the rescue helicopter. It's police, and once you press this white button, it makes red sounds. Also, this could turn around, and they could bend. So, yeah. Here is the Mega Ultra Bad Iron Man. It has a shield. You can go like this. And here's another gun I got to show you. It goes like this. Go, how do you load it? Here's how you load it. He had trouble, but I'm showing him. Just lock. This is how you do it. You pull this, and you shoot. Okay, so next we have two Iron Mans, but he's like, yeah, the other Iron Mans that has the big arm. So once you press this metal thing, or if you press the chest, it will make these sounds. I don't know where I got it. Yeah, I got it from Toys R Us, but I found it in Value Village. So I hope you like these. So we'll just show you in the back. Miguel, don't go yet. Keep going. I found spots. Do it again. Sorry, but I found Spot. Yeah, so Spot is the character like the mean person, but he got alive that he lost his family, and then he found it in the end. So that's it. Oh wait, but there's more coming. Okay. Here you got Raphael swords that could do this. They could stretch. I got this from Christmas. We'll take turns, okay? No. Next after this is your video, okay? See this? It's Wolverine. It goes like this. Does that? It doesn't do other stuff. Look. Right? In the movie, got a little bit scratches here, but he can suck bullets. Look, this is where he got shot in there. Now, the Robin car, the Batmobile. The Batmobile. This is actually a police car, so yeah. This is the police car. Let's take it. And this goes like this. This Savannah guys will be there. I'll do that video. No, they said Miguel. They said you two. Okay, Okay, just a minute. We're gonna show. We're gonna. Oh, don't put it like that. Whoa. We're just going upstairs to get a little bit something. Yeah. Because mom needs some. Yeah. We got Grundy with us, so he could just do that. We got from McDonald's. Yeah. Yes. A friend is coming. Oh yes, no you. I have to get ready. Downstairs. It's downstairs. Yeah, where is it? You know where's my Wi-Fi? Okay. So that was just my mom. My friend had to go now. No, I don't. Yeah, we're back. Okay. My friend, here's the Mega Super Extension. The Batman car. We got it from McDonald's. It's mega fast speed. Batman car I was telling you about earlier. That's what for. I got this from Calgary Zoo. We got toys, dinosaurs. So we got Max Steel here. James doing it. Look, you just pull this. Let's reload. Here we got. Here's from the newest Ninja Turtles. They're boom, boom, boom. That's Rocksteady. Superman from the movie theater. Yep. Just that one. When it's my turn, it has to be finished because if it's take too long, I can't put it into. Okay. Okay. Here is the mega fast police motorcycle. We'll fast. Look. So that goes. Here, my girl is going to show you some toys. Yeah, the last thing. Because. Okay. So, like, I need to take a break. I need to text my boys. Yep, we got a couple masks from, like, Toys R Us. You have 2 straps to fit your size. Voila. And last but not least, just a second. Step 1, Bumblebee. Not much. Yeah, so transform it. Boom. So this is how the Bumblebee acts. Got 2 legs. So that's it for that's it for first toys review. 3D Doc Miguel's Vlogs first toys review. So I hope you like it and subscribe.